Let's hit a superfractor, huh? I haven't had a superfractor in a while. Purple Niederlechner for Augsburg. Really? Weird. I mean, that's awesome, but that's not how I saw that playing out. Davies auto. That's cool. Hedge Duke. Oh yeah, he's the Canadian Wunderkind. He's good, right, Davies? It's on Bayern. Can't be that bad. Alphonso Davies. Bracalo for Wolfsburg. Really great. Tapsoba for Leverkusen. SJ3 refractor. Laba. Lucas Holler refractor. Kramaric. Hoffenheim. Really great. Toussaint. Not numbered. Karazor refractor. We used to pick strawberries. Go to wherever that was that happened. Oh, that's a gold wave for Dortmund. I haven't seen who it is. Mukoko. Gold wave rookie. Ruben. Beauty. Awesome. 28 of 50. There's a Reina. Not rookie. Another Niederlechner. Oh, really? Really great? I didn't realize he was that they were up there that close. Casteels for Wolfsburg to 99.
That's a monster card.
Yeah. Oh, you posting something? Oh, that's too.
Picture. I can't believe we never did 19 and 20 best. That makes no sense.
Jeez. Bellingham base and a Mukoko refractor rookie too. Ruben. What a box. There's still 4 packs left in the first box of this thing.
Yeah, the price came down a little bit. Should sell out in 1 second based on the price of these singles. But it's so frustrating trying to get people to get in soccer and F1.
Yeah. Well, it's also tough, too, because, like, 4 people immediately were like, this is the worst ever. I got a shitty team.
Yeah.
Like, immediately after the random.
It is very top heavy.
Sirdar Refractor. Oh, yeah, I gotta watch my mouth.
Did you say the S word?
I did, I think.
Oh, my God.
Yabo. I am usually pretty good at not doing that when we're on camera, but...
Another round of language training this weekend.
It's like TBS. We get like 1 per 6 hours or something. I don't know. They say it on cable sometimes now, but I don't know. Friedrich for Union Berlin. Edge Duke to $2.99. Oh yeah, I'm gonna watch that for sure. Kabak for Schalke. Some kind of best is happening, Steve, Nebraska. Sergeant. Timo Horn. Davies base. Man, cards being every which away here. Karazor for Stuttgart. Really great. Now they all got pushed, Chew. Not all, but a lot of them got pushed. There's a base. More Coco. There was some good stuff, Chew. Oh, yeah, I actually almost bought some Clydes. Or I would have gotten Lowe's, though, I think. Jude Bellingham base. Ginter. Eddie, you don't listen to Doughboys, do you? Anybody listen to Doughboys here? Co-host Mike Mitchell is in the Tomorrow War. There's an Alphonso Davies Prism to $1.99. Wow. How about this break? Really gray. A Silas auto. I mean, the player they are named after is worse than Clyde Drexler, right? This is insane. We've got an orange now, too. Jeez. An orange Verts. SJ3's Leverkusen. The hits just keep on coming. 11 of 25. There's still like, we're only halfway done with the break, I think. There's a Silas base. Santa Maria. Refractor. Yeah, all you non-soccer folks, this has been like insane. Look up what any of those cards are selling for. If any of them have sold. Hey, Birch. What's happening? Victor. There's a Verts. Geekiewicz for Augsburg. Schlager, Future Stars. Schmutz on the back of that one. Gnabry, refractor. Some more sleeves. Diabo. Last pack of box 2. You think that's the like actually a realistic price? Really, Gray? That's insane. Harit. Chalk. I mean, it's not insane that you think that. That would be insane if it was true.
You're going to be here for a while, so we're going to get out in front of dinner.
Oh, yeah. I do. I am kind of hungry. Silas. I always forget. Womangituka? Womangituka? Silas. You know. Anderson refractor.
Oh, that's going to be on there. It'll get 4 likes. I could post a Cal Ripken Jr. auto from something. It'll get more likes than a Silas.
That's a red.
Or a
Santa Maria. Baptiste Santa Maria red. Quakes fan. Well, you got a red anyway. 10 of 10. Two color in here. Does that mean the second one's going to be autographed? Ingvartsen, no, and Huang for Leipzig to 99. Really Gray has Leipzig. Play Freeburg.
Oh, red looks awesome.
Yeah.
Red uniform too.
Palacios refractor. Nilsson for Arminia Bielefeld. Digital Donnie to 250. Joachim Nielsen.
Have any of the orange verts sold? I wonder what that is.
Jude Bellingham. Is that one in each box? I think the third one. Stark refractor. I should probably look into which of those refractors we actually need to top load, but
Oh yeah.
I've been top loading just all of them basically. Toussaint.
Regular top loaders we can get. So
Yeah, that's true.
people can take them out and use.
Yeah.
A Verts orange auto is 3K.
Trap.
And
199.
orange bases.
Olivier Baumann for Hoffenheim. Really gray. Well, it's probably not Olivier. Oliver, he's German. There's no I between the V and the E. Oliver Baumann, $2.99. Somewhere between 75 or 400 and 3,000. That it says. So Davies refractor. Kabak. Alaba. Pink wave to 75. Edge Duke.
I think Davies was mostly good because his speed, his pace.
Mm-hmm.
On FIFA. So I don't know, maybe he's not actually good. I don't know.
No, they said he was good.
Oh. Only 21. Only 20, actually.
Oh, Alaba signed with Madrid today.
Whoa.
Interesting. Marco Royce.
Oh, he's older. He's like 21.
Lewandowski. Refractor. Oh, yeah. The die cuts do... well, it's possible. I'll check for you. No. They have, like, they look gold and red and... They're not. Generally. One of these days, one of them will be, though.
Yeah.
One last one.
Okay.
We got some hits to recap from that one.
Jeez. Oh, wait. Start with that.
Look at that thing. Gold wave. Well, Coco. 28 of 50. The Silas autograph. Womangatuka. Not numbered. The Verts orange to 25. We had Moakoko refractor, base refractor. Santa Maria red, 10 of 10. Base, we had a couple of Bellinghams, Moakoko, Silas, Verts. Oh, another Bellingham. 3 Bellinghams.
The 2 autos.
The other 2 autos, Alphonso Davies and Bauman. And the rest. Alaba to 75. Davies again. Joachim Nielsen.